Now, third place, the Racing United, and eighth place, Chapelton Maroons ended goalless in their game at the Turner's Oval. Racing got the chance to break the deadlock from the penalty spot, but Teje Grand's effort was saved by Prince Daniel Smith. Racing are now on 19 points, while Chapelton, who had gone 6 games without a win, are 3 points further back.
Arab just not converting. It was some easy opportunity. When you look on the run of play, both half, we control the whole entire game from start to finish. Missing penalty, missing some one-on-one and goalkeeper. Definitely, you know, we just never invite today. We just give away 3 points.
Racing was a little bit more sharper than us. They asserted themselves in the final third a little bit more. But full credit to our guys. They played well. We played to our plan. We were very disciplined. Defended sound. We played in transition a lot. Also, we kept possession, stabilized the game, tried to create. In the last, I thought we could have won the game.